Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you Teespring full course for beginners, simple and easy guide. So let's get started. But before that, please do like and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials like this. So if you're more on merchandise and print on demands, this tutorial is for you. Just go to Teespring and then this is the interface of Teespring, and all you have to do here is to simply create an account. You can scroll here to discover, but once you're okay with that, then you can go to the upper part and then look for start creating. Okay, if you have an account, then click login, but if you're new, then tap start creating right here. So you can create an account using your Google account or Gmail, but if you want to use a temporary email account, let's just say you have one email account and you don't want to use this, then basically you can go to temporary email. Okay, so you can go to temp mail and then generate an email address here, but this one is optional. You can skip this part, and if you want to use your own account, then just simply enter it right here. For me, the easiest way is to connect to Google account. So tap this G right here, Google account. You can also connect this to your Facebook. Create an account using your Facebook or YouTube, but for me, it's Google account. And this is what it looks like. This is Teespring. Now, Spring, it's good for custom merchandise creation, print on demand services. It has no upfront cost, marketing tools, integration with social media, community management, analytics and designs, and a lot more. So all you have to do here is to pick that specific design that you think you want to sell or you want to promote to your social media account or to your store. Let's just say you want to sell a shirt right here. So you have to look for that specific or good design for you. Let's just say you want this one. All you have to do is to click this pencil icon here, and feel free to edit everything like the color of the shirt. So you can just simply tap, like for example, you want to sell color blue shirt, color pink, color black, and violet, and so on. But let's just say if you wanted to add a text or if you wanted to add a design, then you can just simply go and create the design and add image here. So I'm going to show you a site where you can get an idea of what image you can use here for your Teespring or Spring. You can go to the site called Creative Fabrica and click the very first link that you can see here. So actually this site is good for getting some ideas. You know, Creative Fabrica is an online marketplace that specializes in providing a wide range of digital products for creative projects. It caters primarily to designers, crafters, and creative entrepreneurs. So as you can see, there are tons of key features here like digital assets, crafting resources, subscription model, previews and discounts. And let's just say if you want to use this image or this design right here, feel free to look. You can also go to the search icon and then search the specific image or design that you want. So for example, this one, anime, cartoon, something like that, and you like this design. So all you have to do is to add this to cart, because if you tap this download for free, it's not really for free. It will take you directly to this where you need to pay for this amount. And if you want to pay, it's okay. If you want to proceed, and then click proceed to checkout. You can pay via PayPal, you can pay via MasterCard, Visa, UCB, and so on. But actually, I don't want to do this. I don't want to spend money. If you don't want to spend money, then you can just skip this part. But if you really like the design, then go on. So you can also try Pinterest, because in Pinterest there are tons of designs and styles that you can use for your shirt or shirt design. All you have to do is to create an account, or if you don't have an account, it's okay. You can just simply go to explore and then search something like t-shirt design, t-shirt anime design. It's the same thing. Okay, anime or cartoon design. And you will see here images that you can use, or it's like an inspiration or idea you can get here. Let's just say this one. I want to use this image for my t-shirt design. You can tap the picture and then you can tap this three dots right here, because this one is perfect design for me. Tap these three dots. You have two options, save image or download image. So let me tap save image right here, and this is what it looks like. Now to remove the background of the image because we just like to, use the image, not the background. You can go to remove background, and then what you're going to do here is you need to import the picture or image that you get from Pinterest. So you have to upload the image here. Okay, let me upload the image. Wait as it is processing or as it is removing the background. Okay, now that the background has been removed, you can also delete some part of the image. Let's just say I want to erase this part right here, but actually this one is optional. I just want to show you the result in case you don't like something here in the image, like a dot or an object. So feel free to erase that. So this is the result, and all you have to do is to click done and then download this picture. Okay, then after that, go back to your Spring or Teespring and then click this add image right here to import. And then this is what it looks like. Feel free to adjust the picture or the image. As you can see, it's low quality, but don't worry, we will fix that one later. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Feel free to adjust the image. And here it is. Perfect, right? Now you can choose the right color of the shirt that you want. So let's just say if you want to sell this using this color green, color red, color black, you have tons of choices right here. And as you can see, the result is totally amazing. So you can change this image if you want, but if you are good to this, then you can proceed. Now let's just say you wanted to add a back image to your t-shirt and you want to add another image to that. I mean, you don't want the same image. Then you can download again from Pinterest and then do the same thing. Or let's just say if this one. So all you have to do is to import again the image, and then this is the result. Tap each color to see different result. So as you can see, this is the best image for me so far. So if you want to download again another one, feel free to go to Pinterest or other tools or other platforms that you can use to generate or download an image. So let's just say I want to upload again another image like this. Okay, so for example, I want to use this to my back t-shirt or back design of my t-shirt. So let me go to remove BG again, then remove the background, erase, download, go back to Spring or Teespring, upload or add the image again. And this is the design for my back or back of my shirt. So feel free to adjust. Okay, and then choose the correct, or let's just say the right color for this design. Okay, so as you can see, this one is perfect, right? And actually, aside from Pinterest and Creative Fabrica, if you want to create your own, like if you want to have a full control of your design, then aside from these tools or other platforms that you can also use Canva. So I'm going to introduce to you Canva, where you can create also designs like this. And with Canva, you have the full control of everything from fonts, from colors, and anything there. Okay, so this is the result. If you get pictures from Pinterest or Creative Fabric, it's the same thing. Now let's go to Canva. I'm going to introduce to you Canva. So what you're going to do here is you just have to create an account and then go to design and then type t-shirt, and this is the size for your t-shirt. Now if you want to add color, just go to colors, and let's just say if you want to change the page right here to color black. Okay, you can go to colors. This is what it looks like. Now if you want to add a text, just go to text and then change this, add a heading to whatever text that you want for your t-shirt. So this time I'm going to add masterpiece, and the good thing about Canva is that you have the choice for the font if you want to add effects. Canva has tons of effects right here like lift, outline. You can also change the font size, font colors, and everything. That's the good thing about Canva. Okay, so feel free to change the font style, font size here. Okay, so just tap the font style and then you can choose any font style here. Same goes with effects. Now let's talk about elements. Okay, so let's just say if you wanted to add an object or design to your shirt, then of course Canva has tons of objects and designs here. Let's just say it's the same thing. We're looking for anime or cartoons, or everything is up to you. And you have choices here if you want to use or get from graphics, if you want to get from photos. Okay, so for my t-shirt design, I prefer to grab something from graphics. So feel free to search, and then for example, I want this anime or this object right here. Let me adjust and then drag the image or the graphic here. Feel free to add more if you want. Feel free to add any object. Feel free to add text or anything. For example, I want to add this one. Okay. And then put it anywhere. So once done, then probably you can go to share and then download this. But feel free to add more if you want. But basically, I think this one is good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tap share at the top right corner and then download this as PNG. So once I'm done or good with my editing, then I'm going to tap share, go to download, and then go back to Teespring or Spring, or let us go first to remove background because we want to remove the background here. Okay, so it's the same thing. Click this plus icon, upload the image, and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is removing the background here. Okay, so again, tap this plus icon, wait for a couple of seconds, and this is the result. And if you want to edit this, like erase something or add something, add effects, or if you want to edit this using your Canva again, go to Canva. Okay, so let's go back to Teespring or Spring and then upload this image again. And let's see what will be the result. So let me tap this add image right here and then resize. As you can see, I have this poor quality again, but don't worry, we will fix that one later. Change the color, and as you can see, it's very amazing. It's the same thing as what we did with the pictures we grabbed from Pinterest, right? So this is the result. Feel free to change the color till you see the perfect one for you. Okay, so let me pick black this time. Okay, so it's the same thing if you want to add different picture to your back, then again go to Canva. So let's just say I want another graphic, for example this one right here. Okay, and then it's the same thing. Once done, then go to share and then download this using PNG, and then go back to remove background again. And then it's the same thing. You need to upload the image here and wait for a couple of seconds as it is removing the background. And here's the result. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to add the image, so it looks like this, but it's okay, it's fine. Let's just try this one out and then click download. Now go back to your Teespring or Spring and then add or upload this image again, and then resize this image, no, this font, and this is the result. And change the color if you want, but actually it's okay. I think for the background or for the back design, this one is okay. No need for another image. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see here, we have the result. And it's up to you if you want the Canva way or the Pinterest way or Creative Fabrica way. Now, as you can see, we cannot proceed because our picture here is not in good quality. So if ever that you encounter this one, what you're going to do here is you need to upscale or you need to convert the image from low quality to high quality. So how are we going to do that? You can go to any web browser and then search for convert low quality picture to high quality picture. So here I have search for some tools that can help us convert this to high quality image. I have searched for upscale. Okay, and then all you have to do is to upload the image here and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. You will have your option to upscale this 2 times, 4 times. Okay, so that's it. Then what you're going to do now is you have to download the image. Once done, then wait again for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, it's now okay. If you click this one, it seems like this one is a good quality now. And we can proceed with continue here. So you can add, change the price, go to advance, and then once everything is okay here, then proceed to continue. And this is what it looks like. You can add two more, or you can add more products with a single click. Let's just say you don't want to sell shirts only. You also want to sell sweatshirts, or let's just say hoodie, something like that, and mug. So I want to tap this and try to sell with the same design. Okay, you can add more if you want, like stickers or anything here, but for me, I just want to sell this 3 products right here. Now if you want to edit, just click edit to add more information about each product. Let's just say you want to change the price, you want to change the color, you want to change the description, so feel free to edit, or you can also delete if you want. So after you add some information and change information here, then you can now proceed with continue. Okay, so maximum of, I think, a lot of products that you can add, but for the meantime, for this tutorial, I just want to add 3. So you can add title, description. So if you don't know how to create description, actually you can create your own. It's better to be original, but in case that you don't know what to do, what to say, what to add, then I strongly suggest to try ChatGPT. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can generate some unique ideas, or somehow you can get something from here. Not really the exact name, the exact description, but at least you can revise or rephrase this one. Get an idea out from this, and then you can just simply ask more if you want. So let's just say you are not satisfied with the first result, you can ask for more. Let's just say perfect description for mug business or mug products or shirt products, and then tap this arrow using up to generate. And feel free to get some ideas from ChatGPT, or it's up to you if you want to copy all of this, then you can copy this description. So all you have to do is to simply copy or rephrase this one and then paste it to your Teespring or Spring. So let me go back here, go to title, paste, and then go to description and then paste. But I strongly suggest to have your own, like your original description and title. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just choose ChatGPT. Erase some words because it's limited. Okay, so you can change the, of course, information here. Information should match with your brand, your product, of course. So feel free to edit, delete, remove, add. And then after that, you can now proceed with advance. So tap this arrow facing down to see advance. And then that's it. You can now click this launch listing right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. Visibility. Okay, so you can set this to private or unlisted. But for me, I want to set this to public. And here it is. So you can share your products and earn profits. Share this to your social media accounts. And congratulations, you have now your URL, and share this to your store or to any website that you have. So you can edit this in case that you want to edit more, you can add more. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So if people view your store, then they can choose what color, they can choose the size, and then after that they can click this add to cart, and basically that's it. Also, same goes with your shirt, with your mug. All they have to do is simply look for that specific color that they want, and then their size. Then they can add this to their cart, and then Later, I'm going to show you what payment method you can select for your customer to choose. Okay, so feel free to edit also. You can edit the product right here in case you have missed something, or in case that you have or you want to add something, you can go to edit and then feel free to add it here. And don't forget to save. So change the price, change the size, okay, change the information, add something, add what is missing, remove something if you want. Okay, and then tap save. So this is what it looks like. You can start again with creating new listing if you want. But basically, this is what it looks like. If the customer wants to explore, then they can see more of your products right here. As you can see, you have sweater, you have t-shirt. So for your shirt, they can choose S, M, L, XL, and so on. And then click add to cart. Okay. So also if they want to see more information, they just have to tap this plus icon right here. If you want to see other products, then they just have to click the product, change the color, add to cart. If they want to see the description, more description about your mug, just tap this plus right here. Okay, and that's it. So basically, that's how simple it is to add or create a product here in Teespring, or now they call it Spring. And actually, if you want to simply share this to, or you want to promote this product, you have tons of website to choose from. Wix, if you have your account here, then you can promote your product and sell your product here on Wix. Pinterest, all you have to do is to create an account, but you have to make sure that you convert this to business, and then you can now promote your product, share your link, showcase your product right here. Also, Shopify, which is of course one of the most famous marketplace or platform for selling and promoting products. You can do drop shipping here. You can connect to other applications right here. All you have to do is to create an account, or create a store, build a good store, and then sell. Also WordPress, if you want to write an article and then share it to your friends or to other people. So you can basically promote your product here. Also in Amazon, so you can sell, you can promote your product here in Amazon. All you have to do is to create an account, follow some guidelines, and then you can promote or sell your product here. Okay, so that's it. Now going back to, let's just say, Shopify. Let's go to Shopify. So actually in Shopify, you can see this all apps. Here you can see different applications that can help you promote your product. Like what I've said earlier, dropshipping and other platforms. All you have to do is to connect your Shopify to those platforms. Okay, and of course, if you have your social media such as Facebook, if you have Instagram, if you have TikTok, if you have other like Snapchat, or let's just say WhatsApp, or other social media, let's just say YouTube, you could also promote your product here on YouTube if you have. So all you have to do is to upload your product. Okay, but actually, aside from this, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can promote this to your Facebook, to your Instagram, to your TikTok. But actually, one of the most famous platforms today to showcase or to simply promote your product is TikTok. All you have to do is to create an account in TikTok. It could be personal. If you want to convert this to business later, it's okay. So all you have to do here is create an account, and then of course upload your product using some trending background songs and music right here. Then after that, people can see your products, of course, and all you have to do is to link, or you just have to paste the URL here, your Teespring link, and all they have to do is to click that link, and it will take them directly to your Teespring or to your store or to whatever website that you have. Going back, as you can see on the left side, you can see here different options such as upgrade, integration, if you want to connect to any social media here. Okay, feel free. Analytics, if you want to simply track any movement or progress of your products, you can go to analytics. As you can see, I have zero profit because of course I haven't sold anything here, but you can see it here in analytics. Also, if you tap listing, this one refers to individual product page where an item such as t-shirt, hoodie, mug is displayed for sale. So probably they can see it right here. So that's a good thing about this Teespring. It's a wonderful platform for anyone. So you can also tap stores here. And if you want to connect your store to domain, you can click from any of this here. But of course, you need to purchase, you need to pay for that because this domain are not for free. Okay, so you can add the domain here and you can also add an account right here. Now for payouts, here you can set your payout like what I've mentioned earlier. You can add your current payout here. Just go to settings and then add some payment methods here, payment providers. So you can go to settings or payout settings and feel free to adjust your setting here, like change your info. If you want to add or change your password, change it right here. If you want to add like your Payoneer account, if you want to add your PayPal account, your any connected accounts right here, just feel free to add it right here. Okay, so as you can see, set up your PayPal address. You can set up your PayPal address here as well as Payoneer settings. It has also two-factor settings, so you can add a two-factor settings right here so that it's inside the settings or payouts. Okay, so if you want to see more options, just go to the left panel, but actually we will not go deeper into that. So as you can see, this is how easy it is to use this Teespring right here. So feel free to adjust or add something like if you want to change your address, if you want to change your payment method, if you want to change your password and anything. Also, you can create a team right here in Teespring. Let's just say you are not the only one who's making or creating or doing this business, then you can create a team and then edit or add the team name right here. You can add a team member and then you can select their or his or her role, but you need to add their email address and make sure that they have or you have added the correct email address before you add them. So feel free to change their role anytime. As you can see, I haven't added the correct email address, but you can add someone here with their correct email address and then be part of your team. So basically, that's how easy it is. Again, all you have to do is to go to Teespring and then create an account and then create a design. You know, you can grab pictures from Pinterest, Creative Fabrica, and like what I've showed you earlier, you can also use Canva to create a unique design or unique image for your t-shirt. Okay, so not just for shirts, but also for mug, for hoodies, stickers. You can create different designs right here. So that's it. Then what you're going to do after you have created your designs using Pinterest, Canva, or other tools, then you can now share this URL. You can now promote this product to any of your social media platform. Like what I've mentioned earlier, you can share this to Shopify, you can share this to Wix, WordPress, Amazon. You can sell this to Amazon, Pinterest, and you can also promote this to your Facebook, Instagram. If you have your Snapchat or let's say Telegram, also you can, and of course, most probably TikTok because it's one of the most famous applications and platform nowadays. So basically that's it, and that's how easy it is to use Teespring. So you should always remember that it's a very easy to use platform. No need to be an expert for editing or something like that. Just create an account and then edit some designs right here using other platforms like Pinterest, Creative Fabrica, Canva, and so on. Okay, so if you like this video or tutorial, please do like and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials about this. And I really hope that you have learned something from this Teespring full course for beginners. Now, if you want us to create another Teespring tutorial or anything about this, just please do comment down below for us to know what tutorial you want us to make. So basically that's it, and I do really hope that you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.